Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Make you scream! Ah!
Huh? I found her! Lucy!
St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
There's a car stopped in the middle of the street. I'll go take a look.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Huh? Doc, the flag means go.
Behind the clouds.
Gojira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Chica, chica, yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Kajiga! Kajiga!
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will beat.
Cal, your blinker's on. What? No, it's not. Hey, your blinker's on.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
Spinning dragon attack.
Great.
Well, I gotta go to a doctor. I keep getting these sharp pains in my undercarriage.
Downloading the photo now.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
What?
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
The Sodor Steamworks is one of my favorite places on the island. Today, I'm going to be...
There you go. Felt good.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Dusty here enough. Tough negotiators, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us. But don't stop.
Anyway.
Respond. Over.
Come on, guys. These brakes aren't gonna... The Sistine Chapel on wheels.